Okay. 11, sir. I have sent the link, no, sir. Hello, good morning, children. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Buddha. Okay, we wait for a while. So we are going to today going to do Buddha the PowerPoint. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Wait for a while, right? Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning,
sir.
Morning, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to do the lesson PowerPoint. Okay, are you familiar with PowerPoint? Some of you? Miraj, are you familiar with PowerPoint?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, right. Why we use PowerPoint?
To make presentations.
Yeah, presentation. Okay, good. If it is, if you think about earlier days, how did they present to the audience? So, presentation. What are the ways we use to present the presentation? Can you tell me some of them?
They use some boards and they write the information there
Yeah.
and use it as a slideshow.
Yeah. So example is we say your science teacher has asked to do a presentation about your human body. Example, right? Now, how do you make that one? So to the class, we want to show a presentation. So how do you make that one? So you can use what? The boards, some pictures, no? Some posters. So likewise, you can show, right? So you have to use so many materials. So the same materials we use in the presentation, we can use in the electronic media or the electronic PowerPoint electronic presentation. For that one, we are using a software called what? Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so let's see how to take the PowerPoint or start the PowerPoint to your machine. Okay, so you should have, we discussed, there are free softwares as well as licensed softwares. So in your book, we have what? PowerPoint. So license also free one. Can you hear me, Miraj?
Yes, sir.
Microsoft is a licensed one, so free software.
License.
License means you have to pay, no? So that's a one.
Yes.
So that's the PowerPoint one. Then there are some free versions of the free softwares we can use in the internet also. So right, but we are going to do Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's see how to start the PowerPoint. So you should, right? So we go to start. You can see. In the here we have PowerPoint 2016, right? Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, what can you see once you get the screen? Now you can see in your my left side corner the recent PowerPoint I had today, right? So I had several presentations today, and in this side we have some window, right? You can see blank. Welcome to PowerPoint. Bring your medicines. Likewise, we have gallery, like that we have, right? For a moment we can select. Okay, we can select a PowerPoint. So if you want to do a design new one, we can do the blank presentation. Right, so we can do another one called the welcome one, right? So we can say there are different ones here. You can see, go down here, right? You can see here, right? So if I select this circuit one, so I just select circuit. So this is the title. So this is the way it comes. So we just click create. So you can see it comes like that. So right, so this is the one. Now if I go to another one, this is go to file. I'm going to take a new one. I can select a blank one. It looks like this. So from this one, you have to, from the beginning, you can see the background is no design at all, just blank page as white one. So you can design your own self. Okay, right? Then the same one. Okay, so if you want to have nice designs, you can take it. File, go to new. Then you can say this. So you can say one. So just say create. Right. So if you take a new, here, if you put a new slide, you can see this lay is coming to next one. Okay. Now here we have this slides. So here we have the slides. So slide is the basic element in a presentation. Right. So if you take about slides, so we have to make slides to your presentation. So we just see one by one how to take presentation slides also. Right. First of all, we just see how to take a blank one from right. Right. We just see here. Now the first one we have, you can see, right? So you can see presentation number 4, PowerPoint. So if you take this window, so this is the way we design. So this is we call the designing area, right? The designing area we design this PowerPoint. So we can see our views. So we go to view. So you can see there are different views of PowerPoint. We can see, right? So one is we call the normal view. So remember, in the exam they will ask what is the starting view in the PowerPoint. It's the normal view. So normal view, which is the what? Where we design also. Then look at this one, we have the outline. So I just take a already created one to show you, right? Okay, already created one to show you how is the other views looks like. Okay, I just open recently one we had. Right, so I can see, you can see I have some contents here. Can you see? Now I have make a small presentation for this one. You can see there. Now if I go to this view, normal view, you can see this one where we design. You can still we can add some details here. If I want to have more details, I can edit here. What we're going to outline view, you can see in the side, you can see what I have. Only the content or whatever I type here is shown in here, outline. Okay, so outline is shows the whatever the text you have typed in the each slide. If I go to here, number 2, number 4, what you have typed. See, can you see a small border or a small box in here, number 4 slide? If I go to overtype here, it shows what is our overtype here, right? Then go to editing, the editing one, right? So we have this undo here, like it shows that. Then the next one view we have the slide sort. Now I have in this presentation how many slides here? Can you tell me?
8.
8, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now here, if I want to change this slide order, example, I want to change this partial and overtype. I just click it and I drag. Can you see it's change over change here? Once I shift it here, it's replaced this now third one with right here, fourth one is the third. If I shift here, can you see it's changed? So whatever that you want to change the order, what is the best view we have to go to? Hello, children. Can you hear me, Putta?
Slide sorter.
Slide sorter. You can do any change. Here, I can put here anyway. Here. Can you see? It will replace the where the place you put the slide. Right? Right. So that's one. Then the next view we have the called note page view. Notes page. It's like, and now you may when you're working. Have you gone to a seminars? Any one of you?
No, sir.
No one, Manutmi?
No.
Niraj?
No.
Okay, okay. When you are come to the O levels or A levels, likewise, you may have to participate to seminars. Example, we say you have to go to cybersecurity seminar. Example. So in that one, before the presentation, the people who have organized that one, they will give you a kind of a document or a kind of a sheet to refer. So what we are going to discuss today. So what this is the content we are going to discuss. This example, we are going to discuss cybersecurity today. This is today we are going to discuss about the biomechanical today, right? Microbiology, like that one. So those topics, the contents details will be given. So notes, right? So you can see the slides which has here. You can have some notes according to that when the presentation is presenting. You can take down some notes, extra notes. Now he's explaining these topics only. The extra things is discussing. You can take down in this area once the printout is taken, right? So that's the way we have this notes and notes page. Then we have this but. Right? So you can close this, right? So I just change that no, I just say no, okay? Don't save, okay? Okay, likewise. Now we just see how we're going to make a presentation. So first of all, we have discussed presentation views here, right? Right, so this is very important to you for your designing, right? So I'm going to now design a first presentation for you, okay? First of all, we just take a slide. Now you can see now I'm going to take a topic. Example, we say IT for grade 9. Right, grade 9 is a presentation. Then we can make by say right. Now you can see this is very not attractive. So how to make attractive? So you have to make some design. So you can use the take a designs. First of all, as I show here earlier, but file new, you can select one of these. right? So there are, you can see themes are there. So themes, you can take it. You can see there are catalogs there. You can see they have holidays, papers like that. You can see. So go to home. You can see here we have education one. The templates. So you can see nice ones. You can say if I want to do a presentation regarding some these topics, I mean like that. So here you can see these ones, right? Then if I want to have another one, some research project, it's a research project like that. Okay, so you can have that. So you can say create. So you have to download this one. So you can see it's almost there. See? So here we have already created. You want to just put your content here. Okay. So here you have. And so for this one, first of all, now we have taken a new one. So we just select presentations. So we can say this one presentations wise we can take it. Right? So for the other ones, so I just now take my earlier one. Yes. Okay. Now this one. Now how are we going to take the design? So I can take my design from here. So right. So I say that. So there are something you must remember when you going to select these colors. Okay. Tell me. What is the background you have to select when you are creating a presentation? Which colors are better? Hello, can you hear me, Buddha?
Yes, sir.
Which colors are better to use a background here?
Dark color.
Dark colors. If you're using dark color, font should be dark colors or light colors.
Light color.
Light colors. If you're using a light color background, font should be
Font
Dark
must
color.
be dark.
font should be dark color, no? Now, okay, in this one, what is my background? Dark or light?
Dark.
Dark. The font is light, no? With white color, no? So, right?
Right.
So, yeah, if you use a yellow color instead of this white color, it will be more attractive to your eyes, no? Normally, when you see something, when you see a poster, your eyes go to that topics, no? So, the dark background, if you are using a yellow color one, your topic is straight away go to that light color, no? So, like the same way, you have to use your presentation, same matters. Okay, okay. Now, this is my first slide. Okay. Now, how are you going to put my second slide? Now, I am going to add my slide one by one. Okay, what is the methods? Okay, we just see. Okay, go to home. Okay. Then you can see new slide. Okay, what is the shortcut key for new slide? Everyone, can you see the screen?
Control plus M.
Control plus M.
Ah, yes,
Control
very
M.
good. Control plus
M.
M. Control plus M. Now remember, when you just don't click it, just take your cursor near to that button. So you can learn the shortcut key also here. I didn't press yet. Okay, I didn't press yet. You can see Control plus M is the shortcut key. Or you just press this one. So we just do first method by pressing. Then later we just learn the shortcut also, right? Shall we? Okay, now when you press this one, let's see what is coming. What you can see now? What can you see?
Different slides and
Yeah.
their styles.
Yeah, different slides.
Slides.
Yeah. Now what is the first one? You can see title slide. Title slide means what? It is only contains what? Titles only, no?
Title.
Okay. Now, did we give a title already? Did we give this to my presentation? Did I give a title already? Yes, no? So do I need this option for my next slide? No, no. So if you want, you can use for another topic if you want. Now I want to use what? Title with the contents, no? Like a subtitle. So subtitle, we can use this one, title and the content. So we can select this one. Can you see now? Can you see this one and this one is two different options? The slide is there, but the content you can include is different. No? Now, if I want to another one with a different one, see, slide. I just put now two content, a section header with a two contents. Can you see? These are two. 1, 2, 3. Now here you can compare something if you want to have. Example, you want to compare something for RAM and ROM, you can do. Here you can mention here RAM. This is I can mention as ROM. Right? I just say the topic is primary memory. Primary memory. Then I can what here in this content. What I can insert picture if I want. Then I just say RAM. Here I want to have this. And so now I can take it to the my RAM area. And if I want to have another slide, another picture, insert online picture. I just search here ROM. Take it. Likewise. Now, likewise, I can compare this. So you can see this one only have this. Right? So I just put here sample. We say starting PowerPoint. My subtopic. So presentation. Then starting PowerPoint. I can give some details how to start that one. So likewise, we can have. Then you can see different layers. So different layers we have in this view. Right? So let's see how to take now from this one. I just use my shortcut keys. So what is the shortcut key for new slide, everyone?
Control plus M.
Control plus M. So I'm going to use my keyboard. Control plus M. See what happens in the screen. Now how many slides?
4 slides.
4. Okay. I'm going to add so many slides. See that one and tell me how many slides already in the presentation. Okay, just go quickly. Now how many slides are there now in my presentation?
13.
13. Okay, I just put more. Right. So if you press hold, press control and press M together, it's like that. You can see continuously adding. But slides to your presentation. Is it clear? Right? Okay. Now by mistake you have add these things. Now you want to delete. How can I do? I delete one by one. You also can do, no problem. I just show you, right? I want to delete this is 24. Click the 24. Press what? To remove which button and press?
Delete.
Delete. Now delete. Now you can see I don't want from here to here. A range 23 to 27 at once. So how can you remove or delete those at once? Anyone? Can you tell me? Miraj, any idea? Dahamdi, Manutmi?
Select 23 to 27 and then press delete.
Yeah, how to select? How to select? What is the button you have to press? What is the button to press, Putta? Miraj? Manutmi? Stephanie? Any idea? Okay, I just show you, right? So we have to press the what? Shift key. Shift. Okay, shift means what? I just select, I just show you, look at here. Press the 23 slide to 27, you have to select now. First select the 23 slide, click it, then press the hold down, pressing the shift key, then go to the 27 slides. Mean I'm going to select 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 like that. So just go to 27 and click the last one I want to delete. Can you see? Now it says these 5 slides selected all together. So I just press delete now. So almost there. Now I want to delete randomly. Randomly means example. I want to delete example. I just put something to show you now here. Then you can get an idea here. Okay. Now you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to delete this and this. And some of the slides in the below. How can you delete? So for that one, you have to use the which key? Select randomly. What is the key you have to press? Earlier I used which key to select the range? Which key I press? Shift. Randomly. One here, another one here, another one maybe 26 slide there. So how do you delete those slides likewise? Press and press.
Control and slides.
Yeah, control.
Control.
Very good. Control. So what? Well, let's see now. First, we press the second one. Second one. Then keep pressing the control key, CTRL key in your keyboard. Press the next slide you want to delete. I want to delete now 5th slide. 5th. Then go down. And I want to delete 22, 25, this one like this. And go up. And like this. Now I select those. Now those are selected. And how? From the which key? Pressing the hold down the control key. Now I am pressing delete. So I just press the delete key in the keyboard. See what happens. Now it's almost. Now can you see here in the top? We can go to top here. Those slides were not here, no? Can you see? Here? Miraj? Stephanie, can you see here, Puta?
Yes,
Can
sir.
no? Yeah. So those are it. So shortcut key had to use. Sorry, the control key had to use it for that. So that's the one, right? Now that's the one. So we just see now another one. Okay, how you make this slide background more attractive. Also, now this is the way we want to put the slides now. So then we go save. We going to save. So first of all, save it. Right. So we just going to save. So we go to file. Go to save or what control S shortcut key is same. Okay, all right. So you can save in this one in my desktop. I just showed in my save it in desktop. So it's ID for grade file likewise. I just save it. So once you save, it's in my desktop, right? So it's my you can see the topic in the title bar is viewed here, right? So you can see there, right? So it's my topic is here viewed. Right? Now I want to now once you change, you have to save those things. Okay. So I just want to delete these also. Just delete. Yeah, I just want to say 10 slides. I don't want others. 8. Okay, right. And now 8 slides are enough for my slides for presentation. So it's there, right? So once you just we're going to close it, it will ask a message. Want you to save the same thing as we ask in the Word. When you just do a modification to your Word document and you have to do a modification to PowerPoint also, they ask whether you have to change the modification you have done. Okay, so you have to say yes. If you don't, just say don't and just got to do all the modification at last, and you just click the save. So I just want to save. Now earlier there were, you can see 25. Now it's all, I have only 8 here, right? So I save now. Right? Now how can I open this one? Now I have saved in there, right? Or maybe in your some folder in that one. So how can you open? So you can do open in 2 ways. No, first you have to go to the location and double click it, right? Double click that and open. So I just double click this in desktop. Okay, it will open my that one. So if I close again, how can I open again? If I something, this is in some drive, or maybe in the pen drive, or maybe in the hard disk, how can you open? So go to, right? So we go to the PowerPoint and we'll open. So go to file, then open, then you can see Puta, you can open recent. We say if you have done the PowerPoint recent now. No. So you can see recent PowerPoints we have done here in this menu, right? So in this menu you can see. So we can see this one. If I want to open this one, I can do. Or I have to go open and I have to browse. Browse means we have to find out where it's saved. Where it's saved, and I have to find the file name and click it and we have to open. So I just open, click it, and I just open it for. So it will open. It's now open. So I'm going to change now the backgrounds. Okay. So design we have, now we have done. Then we have these transitions. So transitions you can do. So how the slides will be appear when you do the presentation. So you can see here, the first slide will be like that. So if you want to apply for this, select all of them. We say 1 to 5, the same way it's going to appear. The example here we can see. So here. Right, so I just show you the now run the presentation and show. Right, so go to fine. Can you see? Can you see how it works now here?
Yes.
Can you see? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, as you can. The other ones will be come as normal. Right, so the what we have, the transition we applied will come there. Or you can do one by one. Select the slide you want to have, then select the particular transition you want. We say cover like that. Then if you see the next one, I want to see. Next, now shall we run this again and see now. Here it's earlier. Now it's coming in the slide. Okay? Likewise, you can, so you can go give more attraction from these transitions. Okay, right? So you can see the what is the shortcut key for running the presentation. Can you see the screen?
F5.
F5. Okay. So the time is going out. So we will stop for today. Okay. So I will do the other remaining, how to put the pictures, those transitions and more animations in next week. Okay. Okay. Any questions for that for today?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. 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 Thank you very much for joining today. So I will see you on next week for the IT and ICT students. I will see you on this coming days. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining us. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Putra.
Thank you.